Hi friends, Miss Dolphin here. I wanted to come on and go over lesson 33 for math with you. So let's read our objective for today. I can solve take from equations with no unknown using numbers to 10. We have one vocabulary word that we need to go over first before we get started. Here it is. So we've been working a lot with addition. Today we're going to work with subtraction. And subtraction, remember, means to take away. So we're taking things away. We have two practice problems that I want to do with you together. Then we'll work a little bit on our problem set, and then I will have a question for you to do on your own. So let's get started. Okay, here's our first story problem. Let's pretend you have a family of 9 bears. Put 9 bears in front of you. Okay, so Miss Dolphin drew circles for bears because I'm not a very good artist. So I just decided to use circles. And I put 9 circles. That's going to represent my bears. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 bears. One bear is hungry and wants to go to the honey tree. Here's my honey tree. Take one bear and scoot him across your desk to go to the honey tree. Okay, so I don't have actual bears, so I'm just going to cross it out in my picture. It said one bear got hungry. I'm going to cross this bear out. 1. And he's going to go to the honey tree to eat some honey because he's hungry. Then it says 8 are left. So let's count to make sure that we have 8 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, we do. So now the only thing left to do is to write our number sentence down here. Now remember, this sign in the middle is the minus sign. Remember, we take away when we see that sign. Okay, so when we do subtraction, we always start with the whole or the biggest number. So we started with 9 bears, so I'm going to write 9 first. Circle and a straight tail. 9 minus how many bears went to the honey tree? Just 1. So 1 comes next, straight line down. 9 minus 1 equals how many bears were left? The ones that did not go to the honey tree. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 9 minus 1 equals 8. Let's read it one more time. 9 minus 1 equals 8. Excellent, friends. We have one more to do together. Okay, so let's read here. Let's pretend your linking cubes are cars. So here's my linking cubes. Now, like I said, I don't have real cubes, so I just drew them. You have 10 cars. 9 of them drove away. 1 is left. Okay, so let's just make sure that we have 10 cars to start with. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we started with 10 cars. Then it says 9 cars drive away. So since I can't really use cubes to move them, I'm just going to cross out 9. Okay, so help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and that's where I stopped because it said 9 drove away and only 1 is left. So here's my 1 that's left. Okay, so the only other thing we have left to do is to write in the numbers in our number sentence. Now remember, since this is subtraction, we always start with the biggest number or the whole. Okay, so we started with 10 cars. So 10 is the first number in our number sentence. 10 minus how many drove away, how many we took away. We took 9 of them. So we're going to write number 9, circle in a straight tail. 10 minus 9 equals how many are left? How many do not have an X on it? Just one. So we're going to write 1, straight line down. Excellent. So help me read our number sentence. 10 minus 9 equals 1. Excellent. Yay. Okay. Now we're going to move on to our problem set. Ms. Dolphin is going to do 2 problems with you. So this one and this one. We're not doing this one. And then on the next page, Ms. Dolphin assigned this problem for you to do on your own. So you will be getting that in your messages. But let's do these 2 together first. It says fill in the number sentence to match the story. Okay, read the story with me. There were 7 trains. 2 trains rolled away. Now there are 5 trains. Okay, so let's make sure that we have 7 trains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so remember it's subtraction, so we always write the biggest number first or what number we started with. So I'm going to write 7 in my number sentence because I started with 7 trains. Now let's look. 2 trains rolled away, so we need to cross out 2. 1, 2. Okay, so 7 minus how many we crossed out? We crossed out 2. 7 minus 2 equals how many are left? So let's count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it equals 5. Over, down, and around for Big Fat Belly. Okay, so let's read that number sentence. 7 minus 2 equals 5. Excellent. We're going to do one more together. Okay, read the story with me. There were 9 cars at the stop sign. 7 drove away. There are 2 cars left. Okay, so it said that there were 9 cars at the stop sign to begin with. So that's our biggest number. That's the number that we're starting with. Circle, straight tail. Let's just make sure that we have 9 cars. So help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we started with 9, and then it says that 7 drive away. So we need to cross out 7. Okay, let's cross them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so that's going to be my number, the next number in my number sentence. Because we crossed out 7, 7 drove away. 9 minus 7 equals, then how many are left or don't have an X on them? 1, 2. So 9 minus 7 equals 2. Excellent. Let's read that together. 9 minus 7 equals 2. Great job, my friends. Give me an air 5. Okay, so remember to check your messages. I sent out the practice problem, and I would love to see what you can do at home. If you have any questions, please let me know. Great job today, friends. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.